At Breckenridge, everybody. This is the pain right here, everybody. 11,200 feet. Nowhere to go but up. Nothing to hide under. Just take the pain, baby. Heading in through Frisco. You might remember this from my 2018 Colorado Trail videos. What's up, everybody? Check the bike path. What? So sweet here. So I'm rolling out of Frisco. I just had lunch here at this little, I don't know, little park, little pullover spot. Breckenridge is like 12 miles up, maybe a little bit less than that. Beautiful bike path area. I'm gonna come back up here when I get home before the end of the summer. Come back up here and ride with a special riding partner I have in mind. Super cool, super chill. So much to do here. I'm just kind of breezing through this section. Like I said, I've been here a lot. I've spent a lot of time in this area, and it's just like a couple hours away from where I live. So I'm just gonna keep on moving and get to Breck, which is another area I've been to. I've been to Breck. I can't tell you how many times I've been to Breck. I mentioned that I worked there at one point in time. Anyway, I'm gonna keep on moving. I don't know about Boreas Pass. It's like 11,700 feet. I think that'll be the highest point of the trip, and I think it's gonna be nasty. I'm just gonna keep on moving towards Hartzell though, and it's like uphill for the rest of the way. Back on trail, man. It's just some excellent bike path all through this area. Wow. Just right off the path here, almost into Breckenridge, maybe 4 miles on this bike path. Check out this little stop right here. Right time of the night. Right there. Camp right there. I don't even care. Lay down. Forget it. Making it up Boreas. That's segment 7 of the Colorado Trail in the background there. I hiked over that whole range a couple of years ago. Up here at 10,000 feet. I always know when I'm at 10,000 because I just like can't even talk much. We're getting there. It's just beautiful scenery. It was the hardest segment of the whole trail, really. Section 7, Kokomo Pass, I believe. Holy hell, man. So yeah, I've been thinking about biking the Colorado Trail. Bikes are allowed on segment 7. Sucks. Have to take a bike over that, but just incredible out there. At Breckenridge, everybody. Check back with you in a minute. So cool. Wow. Wow. Old Breck. Going over 2 major passes today. That's sweet, man. Ute Pass and Boreas. Whew. Just about at 10.5. I believe I got another 1,200 feet to climb. Those aspen trees, huh? Have you ever seen so many aspens? I have. This is like a little aspen alley in itself. There's a few of those around here. I rode through 2. There's one in Wyoming and then a couple here in Colorado so far. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Boreas Pass. I'm up at 10,600 feet right now. That's not the highest I've been on a bike. Here we go. This is the pain right here, everybody. 11,200 feet. Nowhere to go but up. Nothing to hide under. Just take the pain, baby. Made it up to Boreas Pass, 11,525 feet. Absolutely freezing. I almost didn't make it up here, but there was literally nowhere else to go. I had to keep going, but there luckily is a structure here. I was able to like just step under. Half of it's wet, half of it's dry. I threw on the Apex Torrid underneath my raincoat, and I'm all zipped up. I'm ready to get down this hill. That was tough. That last mile was very difficult, but anyway, I gotta get down. I gotta drop elevation and get the heck out of here. But that was an awesome climb, and I think this might be the highest point on the trail, actually. 11,525 feet. It's absolutely the highest we've been on this entire trip, that's for sure. But I bumped into Tron. He caught me. Yeah, everything's going well with him. I'm sure he's caught in the rain back there, putting on rain gear and all. I'm sure he'll catch me in that downhill. He's heading for Como tonight. I think I'm gonna head for Hartsel, really. I don't know, the terrain doesn't really look that bad out there, and I know as soon as I drop, like, I don't know, maybe 1,000 feet, it's not gonna be raining. But very cold up here, and this is definitely like a hypothermic situation, and you'd want to have some warm stuff to put on, or you'd want to have somewhere to go. I'm getting out of here. Hey everybody, kind of a strange close to today. Boreas Pass, I caught some rain about 1,000 feet from the summit, and the temperature just started dropping drastically. I was in like kind of a situation coming down the mountain. Of course the cameras were dead, and just my hands and feet were just absolutely screaming. It was freezing, but I made it into Como. This guy flagged me down. He said, come on in the garage, I got a Norwegian guy in here too. So bumped back into Tron. He beat me here. He got the fire going for me and got everything set up. But this is just a oasis, unexpected. I got a free bed to stay in. We got a stove over here, water, shower, bathroom, everything we need, and 2 leather massage chairs. So it's gonna be a great night. But it's kind of a weird day. Still got 65 for the day, and pulled through Breck and Boreas Pass, the highest point on the trail yet. So this is it.